This video, we are going to share with you the stay experience at Movenpick in Hobart City. We'll show you the room, we'll show you the breakfast, we'll show you the lounge, and whatever thing that we can show you. So let's go to check-in first. We just check in. Monica is the one to check us in. One thing I'm not happy about the chocolate hours is start at 3:30 and end at 4:30 at the lobby. The timing is too weird. So we are in this room, upgraded to a superior room, quite spacious actually for the walkway. There's a hanger over here, you can hang everything, don't hang yourself. Then here's a washroom. You've got all the shampoo, hair conditioner and body wash over here. Then hand wash and hand lotion over here. The amenity, you get a shower cap, cotton bud, cotton pad, sanitary bag. Then the hair dryer here. It looks like a powerful hair dryer. So yeah, I'm happy to have a powerful hair dryer. Then the extra toilet paper, tissue over here. Lovely welcome amenity from the hotel. The strawberry cake chocolate. And then, oh, the tea is a good tea. Coffee is instant coffee. And very sad that we don't have club lounge here. I do have club lounge in other Movenpick hotel. And 4 capsules of Nespresso coffee, which is good for us, right? Then here's a mini bar. I do got the bottles of free syrup from Porter Hotel in Sydney. Then here's a fridge. It's a damn huge fridge that I can buy. I can stock up the alcohol from the alcohol shop. And then this must be the safe. Oh, the laundry bag is a paper bag. It's quite cool. And here is a safe. It's super big. Yeah, you can put my laptop here. Oh, so here is a wardrobe. we were like, where is the wardrobe? Where is the wardrobe? So here it is. It's quite narrow. So I think medium size of the luggage will be open. Oh, then a hanger over here. No bathrobe. At the bedside, at the bedside there is a local power plug with 1 USB port and an empty drawer, reading light. Over here, lovely, there is a wireless charging alarm clock with local power plug and then USB port. Empty drawer. And then here's the view. I was told that a beautiful mountain view, but it's not beautiful at all. So here's a desk for you to have a meal or do your work. The power plugs are 1 LAN, internet LAN, 3 local power plug, 1 USB port and 1 lamp with a sip 2-hour saver. I can sip a lot of things though. So quite comfortable to have a chair over here, at least 2 chairs and a king bed. So it's a rough bed liner. It's not that good. We'll do the bed test after we shower. We need a good shower. Very cool thing, I have a new guest to do the bed test together with me. You are the first other guest man. My sister is the second, but my sister is the first lady. You're the first man to do the bed test together. He have no idea how the bed test do, so I already briefed him a little bit. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That's how we do the bed test. So we can see the pillow is like just a lightly shake. And I can see a little bit of dust. So that people like with a sensitive nose, you might be, your face is very red. Too shy for him to do the bed test like this. Okay, let's test the pillow together. I'll test the front pillow and then he will go for the back pillow. So right over here, we are still on the bed test.
Okay.
Oh, that's the pillow I like.
Hard.
Oh, that's the pillow that I like. And this is a bouncy pillow. I can see a lot of dust is floating now. I don't hum on the pillow. I only hum on the bed like this. So I think this is a bed that will be a little bit bouncy. Do you think it's hard or soft?
Medium.
Medium. It's a little bit firm. Okay, so usually the blanket can be rough, but let's see the bed sheet. Oh, it's still about the same material, a little bit rough too. So we just showered and then I can come over here, pillow talk. We just showered, the water pressure is not bad. I like the shampoo.
Shampoo sounds delicious.
It smells so good, like ginger and citrus tea, all this thing. Water pressure is good. We did not try the hair dryer yet, but it looks good enough. Okay, I will share with you about the breakfast and the gym. No swimming pool here, no club lounge here. I will also share with you that the sleep quality tomorrow when we check out, and also the soundproof, whether it's good or not. Why are we at the lobby?
Because this is where they give us the free drinks.
It's called welcome drink, and then we'll get the voucher like this. Usually you can have it in the bar, and we were asked to sit right at the lobby over here. It's quite unusual.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite awkward. Like we were assigned here just facing at the entrance. Anyway, as long as alcohol, Uncle Jim will be happy. And this is what you can order, anything in the menu. That's what he said, right?
Yep.
Will we be able to mimic what he say?
And
We use the Vivino app to check out which wine is the best to try, and he's having a rate. Let him sip a little bit of his red wine and then tell you about the complimentary welcome drink from the Movenpick Hobart.
So this is our strong Sangiovese from Victoria. $16 a bottle, and they're very generous with the serving. And it's strong. Strong tannin taste, but it's alcohol.
I never expect he will talk about the price. I was about to laugh at him that he chose a cheaper wine. I can't remember what is this, Amino or something. $16 per bottle. Oh, it's actually quite nice. Give me a minute. I will find out the name for you. I really think that because it's not usual Sauvignon Blanc or the Pinot Grigio or all this thing, is something quite new to me. It is 2022 Ti Amo Fiano, King Valley from Victoria. So I had never tried a wine called Fiano, but I would like him to try my taste.
Okay.
Yeah, Fiano.
We have very similar tastes. We have similar taste in many things. Oh, it's good. Very fresh. This will go very well with the oysters.
And this is also really good. How do you pronounce that?
I forget.
He is really just like me because I can't remember things. But let me find out. Sangiovese. Yeah. Oh, do you still remember that the word that we tried to pronounce? Oh, abalone and
abalone.
we do have things to argue sometimes. And now we decided to have a dinner here. It's what time we go back to the hotel just now?
I think she's now.
It's like not really late, but you need to tap the card to enter. 8:30.
8:30, they already locked the door.
They lock the door. You have to use your hotel card to enter the hotel. Can you imagine you're coming to check in like 9 p.m. You got your luggage. It's like how to go enter. Anyway, long story short, we are going to try the oyster now. We are going to try the oyster now. Tasmanian oyster, usually small. The dressing is good, the jelly is good, but my oyster, the one that I had, is not really that fresh.
No, mine was delicious. I like the dressing.
Lucky got a good one. So it's $5.50 each. So with the Aqua Plus, you can get a little discount, 50%. So it's a good deal to have the oyster here. But I love the dressing. It's very flavorful. Yeah, you don't need any Tabasco or wine to just sloop in the oyster. The pizza that we ordered is a calamari pizza. It's heavenly good. I don't really see the squid, but it's a little bit citrusy. Some minced meat and tomato. But make sure you ask for chili flake. The chili flake here is like quite spicy. It's very nice. We call it very short. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna say something. That's how the pizza looks like. Here's a breakfast, and then you can order anything on the left, each per person. Then the drink, coffee or this thing also chargeable. If you want to have like skinny latte or long black, you can order one for free. If you want some alcohol early in the morning, you can order so. So here is a breakfast area, looks like this. Let me show you what you can get from the buffet spread. And they have the croissant, it's quite good. And then some of the bread, just so. If you order those avocado smash or the big breakfast, you will get that bread as well. So here is a cold cut, cheese, salmon, orders. Today they have 2 types of juice. Yesterday they had 3 types of juices. Then here's the cereal. Some of the cereal looks tasty though. And you can make the fresh juice by yourself. And coffee pot, just make your coffee. And also some of the cut fruits, yogurts. Oh yeah, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now. Today we have to rush for a tour and then we got to order something simple. I did not order anything for him because he was a little bit slow. So yep, just eat it. We had a good breakfast yesterday and tomorrow we're going to order another one. What do you think about this hotel stay?
It's okay. Coffee was average. Wait, do you want me to give a proper review?
It's okay. Yeah, just say whatever you want to say. Yeah, I do honest review.
Okay.
Yeah, just say.
Coffee was good. Some of the staff were very friendly. Some of them are a bit average.
Below average.
Wait, did I say coffee was good?
No, you will say that the coffee is bad, right?
Okay, let's start again.
It's okay. I think I don't like the staff. I don't like the restaurant staff. I love the receptionist. They are quite nice. And the Nepalese in the breakfast is good. And then the food option is a little bit limited.
We never tried the free flow coffee, the chocolates. We didn't try the chocolate buffet, but it looked a little bit just like chocolate pastry, which you can get.
We actually
at breakfast.
asked the staff, and they just say that you just go to the lobby and then there's some chocolate for you. And
Yeah, a little bit basic. Coffee was bad.
I think maybe later we can come back and have that because it's until 4:30.
Yeah, perfect.
Maybe.
Yep.
If we try that, then I'll check with you.
I think we'll eat too much food anyway.
Yeah. And I don't like the room, which is the air conditioning is just turned off sometimes. So I was there was 2 nights I was sweat a lot. Yeah. And the soundproof is good. The shower is good, but I just hate that.
How do you know the soundproof is good? Did you test it?
So basically, when I do say soundproof is good, it's just that you can't hear the noise from the street, which is like
Or the clock tower. We never heard the clock from the hotel.
clock. Oh yeah, there is a clock tower.
The big clock.
Clock. Yeah, we didn't hear the bang, dang, dang, dang.
Dung, 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 dung.
I don't know how it sounds like, but we never hear any sound from that. So soundproof is good.
Soundproofing is good.
Bed is good.
Yep.
It's
It's in a good location, close to the bus stops. Short walk to the Salamanca markets.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
And then, but I think Ibis style will be better. I think we had a good time there. The facility is so much better. This hotel is a little bit aged and they are very not flexible. They always say that it's fully booked. We don't really see much people. We don't get the better room upgrade. We don't get the room late checkout. And the conversation, I think, communication wise is quite a weird thing. He can't understand the staff English.
Well, the staff at reception had a little bit of an accent, so it was a bit of confusion about checkout time. But we got there in the end.
We still don't need that. We actually leave earlier. Yeah, so I think even those at the staff in the restaurant, the dinner, remember we were asked to sit at the lobby for the welcome drink. Then I would say that I just want to have some oyster. He changed, like he looked so happy. He's, come please take a seat inside now. Yeah, here take a seat. And sir, how many oyster would you like to have? I said, 4 to each. He instantly rolled his eye and then sashay away. But he was not there. But the pizza is good.
Pizza was really good.
Yeah, and they can prepare the pizza very, very fast.
Not a lot of calamari on the calamari pizza though. I call it more a mince pizza.
Yeah, it tastes good. So if you're Accor Plus member, you get 50%. So you were quite impressed that like the oyster and pizza is only cost $24.
The quality for 50% is good, but I don't know if I pay full price.
No, yeah. Without the discount, I will not think that is good. Yeah. Okay, with that, we hope you like this video. We hope that the information is helpful for you to make a decision to choose the hotel stay right over here. But I would advise you to go IB style.
Okay, we're off to Mona now.
Bye-bye.